Now, after you're done creating your content, there are several ways in which you can preview it. First, we have the feed view, where you can select one page at a time and then scroll between all of your content. You get a full preview, and then each post has its own feedback section. You can also make sure you choose how your posts are sorted, whether it is by their scheduled date or created one. Next, we also have our calendar view. This is where you'll be able to select all of your channels for a good overview of all of your upcoming content. You'll also have a column for all of your saved posts that don't have a date and time quite yet. And of course, you can switch between weeks or months depending on how you like to preview your content. If you want to see the entire post, all you have to do is click on it to get the full preview and also access the feedback section. Moving on, we also have the grid view, which is really most relevant for your Instagram or TikTok pages. This allows you to see the grid and get an idea of what it's going to look like, and also help you design the layout by drag and dropping posts. Once you're done moving them around, you'll need to make sure you choose the right date and time. To make sure the grid looks exactly how you want it to, you can go back to the filter section and you'll see that the sorting will be automatically set to custom order. All you have to do now is make sure that as you select the date and time, the last scheduled date will match the custom order. Now, we also have the list view. This is another place where you can select all of your channels, and it allows you to go ahead and select multiple posts to take bulk actions. That could be anything from approving, scheduling, duplicating your content, and so much more. If you want to be even more efficient when it comes to how you're seeing your posts, what you can do is take advantage of our custom views feature, a personal favorite of mine. This allows you to select several filters and save them into a view that you can easily access. For example, we have here a view of all of the posts that haven't been yet approved. You can also apply multiple filters and then choose how you want to see this post in the feed, calendar, grid, or list view. You can also decide whether these views are visible to everybody, just yourself, your team, or even make them public to anybody outside of Planable.